This is Dan for Gear Diary.
And Charles from Gear Diary.
Hey Charles, we have reviewed a bunch of electric bikes at this point, but I don't think we've ever reviewed a scooter together before.
Definitely not.
And this is not just a scooter. This is the Segway GT3. They describe it as a super scooter. Now what makes it a super scooter? Let me actually pull this out to give some details before you unbox.
Yes.
This scooter gets up to 31 miles per hour.
That's fast.
Yeah, I don't know why you would go 31 miles an hour on a standing scooter, but I guess it's nice to know you can. It gets up to 45 miles per charge. That's if you're going at about 15 miles an hour.
Okay.
About 24.8 miles if you're going at full throttle. It has a 2400 max output motor. 0 to 30 acceleration in 9.5 seconds if you have it on ultra boost mode. That's way fast.
That is way fast.
That's way fast. It has stability enhancement, 11-inch self-sealing ultra-wide tires. It even has Apple Find Me.
Awesome.
So that if you don't know where the bike is or someone takes it, you can find it. Why don't we unbox this thing? This is amazing. It's under $2,000. This is my first super scooter. Let's take a look.
All right.
So this isn't just, I mean, I've reviewed a bunch of scooters. I've never seen a scooter like this. First off, just look how tall it is. Look at the build quality. This is not a scooter just for fun. This is a scooter for serious riding, for tricks, and for commuting. It's got these huge 11-inch puncture-proof tires. It's got this really cool lighting system up here. It's got a hardy control here to fold down the handlebars. It's got these beefy handlebars with lots of controls, a horn, turn signals, boost and walk mode, power over here, this color screen, which we'll turn on in a second. It's got this huge, wide standing board. I mean, look at this board. Look how large this is. It is a beast. And it can go up to 35 miles an hour, which is unbelievable. This is serious alternative transportation if I've ever seen it. Let's turn on the screen and let's see what it looks like, and then let's take it for a first ride. This is by far the beefiest standing scooter that I've ever seen or ridden on. I took it for a quick ride and it was really smooth. I'm gonna go down the street. I had a different scooter that has a lot of power. I was able to come up the street about 14 miles an hour. I'm gonna see what this can do. But I'm gonna go down the street a little bit and we'll do a little bit. You'll get a sense of how it rides. It is so smooth. When you talk about alternative transportation, this is it. Charles, take a ride. This thing's quick and smooth.